A live look now from our Civic Center camera. A little bit cloudy out there, and Stacy, I think it's going to be a little bit better this weekend for our plants out there because it's going to be cooler.
It will be. We'll have some cloud cover, we'll have some rain, and not necessarily the severe storms that we see this time of year, because hail is always an issue with gardens here for the Front Range during the summertime. Now, outside now we have mostly cloudy skies, and we are going to see those thunderstorms later on this afternoon. Up in the high country, also some cloud cover as well. We're just starting to see those thunderstorms develop off to our west, and we'll see more later on today. We have storms expected each day this weekend. It'll be much cooler on Sunday with highs hovering around 80 degrees for our afternoon highs, and then those 90s, they'll be back into next week. 89 degrees our expected high today. Scattered afternoon thunderstorms. As we get into the later part of the afternoon, we'll have temperatures dropping off out of the 80s into the 70s with that rain cooled air. For afternoon highs today, 70s up toward Estes Park and low 90s here from Fort Morgan into Sterling. Now our hourly planner keeping the clouds with us into the afternoon. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for the day. 82 degrees by 6 o'clock with those scattered showers showing up across the Front Range. Now we already have some rain here into northeastern Colorado and a few scattered showers off to the west into the higher elevations. We'll see those showers come down off the foothills and here across the Front Range as we get into the later afternoon. Air quality alert for high ozone levels. So we have a lot of pollution in the atmosphere. It looks a little hazy out there. Some of this rainfall here from Sterling up toward Ovid going to continue to push down to the south and east toward Holyoke. Now this is where we have the best chance for severe weather today. Out across the eastern plains, large hail is possible out this direction, and into the central plains we have chances for tornadoes later on today, but not necessarily here for Colorado. So we're going to be right on the edge of that. Our futurecast bringing in a few scattered showers later on this afternoon. This will be by about 4 to 5 o'clock here for our area, and then those storms push out pretty quickly and last across the eastern plains a little bit longer. Our hourly planner in through tonight, temperatures in the 80s through 7 o'clock, 70s after that all the way through midnight. So it'll be a nice mild evening for us. Temperatures in the 60s here. We'll have 40s and 50s from Leadville to Aspen into Gunnison, Telluride at 52. So we'll wake up in the morning to temperatures in the 60s early on, then into the 70s and 80s for the rest of the morning. We're expecting a high of only 85 degrees tomorrow. Scattered afternoon thunderstorms as well, and we'll have 80s mostly across the eastern plains, 70s and 80s for the high country. So a cold front moving through the state as we get through Saturday, and then we're going to have that cooler air settle in, especially for Sunday with lots of rain here for the state. So into our 7-day forecast, we'll have temperatures in the 80s for today and tomorrow, only 80 on Sunday afternoon with storms likely, and then we're back in the 90s next week on Wednesday and Thursday as we heat things up once again.